Hello and welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Soebbing. Today we are not sewing a thing. I'm saying thank you to you all and announcing a big sale. This week we hit a major milestone over at Quilt Addicts Anonymous. We passed 40,000 subscribers on YouTube, and that's just huge. I mean, that's really good for a quilting channel on YouTube. I know there's many more that have way more than that, but for quilting, that's awesome, and I'm really excited, and I want to say thank you to you all. And we are going to be doing a 25% off sale on almost everything on the website over at shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. If you're in town in the Quad Cities, you can stop by our Rock Island store as well and get that sale on Friday and Saturday where we open. And I just wanted to say thank you to you all for that. And since I know that these videos live on longer than through Sunday, if you happen to see this on Monday or after Monday, I think it's August 26th or later, we're going to have a one-time use coupon code that you can use. It's called QAA YouTube, and it will get you 25% off any one regular price item. So you can use that anytime you want. If you view this video afterwards and become a fan after we release this video and do the sale, you can use that. So I just wanted to say a big thanks to you guys, because this channel has made such a difference in our business and in our lives. I started Quilt Addicts Anonymous as a blog years and years and years ago. Didn't make any money on it, just as a way to kind of share my love of quilting with people beyond, you know, my little circle of sewing friends. And I started designing patterns and sharing them on there, and people liked them. And we had a block of the month that I thought maybe like 50 people would download, and by the end of the first year, it was 12,000 from all over the world. It was just insane, just completely insane. And when I had my daughter, I thought to myself, I do not want to be in this rat race any longer where like the amount of time I get with my family is dictated by somebody else. And so I started trying to figure out ways that I could make money off of this. And it has been a bumpy road, but we figured it out, kind of, mostly. And now my husband is able to work full-time with us as well. Before this, he was a sports editor at a newspaper. And if you've ever known any sports editors, it means that you have to work 6 nights and weekends and holidays a year. And that does not work very well when you have a young child. So we didn't see much of him, and it wasn't good. And so about 2 years ago, we made the leap to have him come on full-time with us, and it has been challenging as we work through that, because you know, we're wholly and completely dependent on, you know, you guys liking what we do, and then when you want to do a project, getting the supplies from us. And we appreciate every dollar that you spend with us, and every time you say thank you for a free video by buying the supplies to make that project from us, we are so grateful for it. When you purchase from us, you are truly supporting a mom and pop business, a little local small business. And it's just us, my husband and I, working full time, and we do have part-time employees that help put together your orders and the Stashin' with Stephanie bundles. But it is my husband and I working a lot of hours to make this happen. But we're able to do it together as a family, and our daughter's able to be with us. She was able to be with us all summer, and it was wonderful. And because of YouTube, and this is why I really want to say thank you. I know it's taking a little bit to get to the point here. So about a year ago, we had about 10,000 or so people on our YouTube channel, and we started posting weekly videos. And we both come from journalism, and in my case also marketing background. So we knew we were good at content, and we knew that that might be a way to connect more and grow our business. But we couldn't have anticipated what has happened. We, at the time, were definitely looking like we needed to maybe go back to some day jobs, because it was just not working. We were not making enough money to have this be a sustainable business. But once we started publishing the videos and you guys reacted and started to purchase the things that we featured in the videos, it just made a huge, huge difference. I kind of looked at our stats last night. We've gained almost 30,000 YouTube subscribers since we started doing the weekly videos. You guys have watched millions of minutes of content on here, and that just makes my day when I see the comments from you guys about how it's inspiring you to make something and to try something new with your quilting, and how you were able to learn to quilt for the first time with our beginner quilting series. I love seeing that. That's why we got into this. We really wanted to be able to make a difference and provide great videos for free for you guys to be able to learn. And we love it when you guys say thanks and then purchase from us as well, because if you didn't, like, we probably wouldn't be here today. I'd probably be working a 9 to 5 again. But we are so grateful to you guys, and that has made such a great and direct impact in our life. It has even gotten to the point, here's a big announcement that has nothing to do with the sale, where after 4 years of infertility struggles, I have finally gotten to the point where I'm least stressed as I've been probably in years, and I was able to finally get pregnant after 4 years of trying. So we're going to have another maybe future quilter. I don't know if it's a boy or girl yet, but you know, boys can sew too, in February. So we're already working on doing a lot of pre-filming, so that way you guys can still have the free weekly videos while I'm on a little bit of a maternity leave this winter. But it's just real exciting, and I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. I'm going to tear up because it really has just made such a huge impact in our family and in our business. When you guys watch the videos, you love them, you comment on them, and then you say thanks by getting your supplies from us. You truly are supporting, like I said, a small family business, and it makes a huge difference in our lives. And we've got a long way to go. We're still a really young company, but good things are on the horizon, and it's thanks to you guys. So thanks so much. Head on over to shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. Now through Sunday, you guys are going to be able to save 25% off almost everything in the store. The only thing we've left off are like our Stash with Stephanie subscriptions, because there's already built-in discounts to that. And then anything where we have MAP pricing agreements where we're not allowed to discount it. But every single other thing in the store is on sale. And then you also, if you see this after Sunday and you want to still get a thank you from us, you can use that coupon code QAA YouTube to save 25% off any one regular price item. So thanks so much. Make sure you go over and save over at shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. And we want to say thank you to you, because you really have done a lot for us by watching these videos and saying thanks by buying from us when there's a project you want to give a go. So if there's something you've been trying to do, but you're trying to be on a budget, this is a good weekend to do it, because you can save big time. So thanks so much, and happy quilting. You know what, let's show you the bump, because it's out there. I'm 5'2", so there is nowhere for the baby to go but out. So here is the bump, and I am 16 and a half weeks along, and the due date is February 4. So we're preparing here at the house, and we are also preparing. I've got my video schedule planned out through April, so we're working on pre-filming all those videos, so you won't miss anything at all. We will, of course, keep you posted on that new baby stuff, and we'll have some new baby projects coming out too, so it'll be fun. But thanks again.